It's logical that if you and your loved ones need Zinzino products, then others will need them too, right? Many people can identify with our message: inspire change in life. So they might as well become your partners, not only to receive free products, but also to make money by building a business to create more freedom for themselves and their families. According to a survey, most people join one big team for one of the following reasons. They want multiple income streams, so they may become more stable financially, or maybe they want to build wealth. They'd like to start their own business, or want to determine their own working hours as they see fit. They want to work from home, happy to help others by sharing this vital information with them, or they may want to provide more for their loved ones. Now stop for a second and think about these options. Which one would you be interested in? Are there things in your life that you're not fully satisfied with? If so, the next few minutes are for you. What are you supposed to do? Just share this information you love to talk about anyway with others. Together, we can build a customer base and also a team of business partners. Then we use our global web shop, where sales volume is generated and we receive commissions and bonuses. More than 1.5 billion people live in the countries where we can build our business, and with Zinzino's global shipping program, the company can serve customers in almost every country around the world. Perhaps you agree that making money by selling products in several countries is definitely a safer option than relying on the economy of one single country. Our compensation plan is based on a so-called two-leg or binary model, which means that we build two sales teams. Ask yourself, do you know two people who want to make more money and would be more than happy to help others improve their health? If the answer is yes, you can start building your own Zinzino business. The first step is to create 10 product subscriptions by getting some customers while finding your first 4 business partners with the help of your mentor. If you can do this, you can earn a one-time bonus of €700 in the company's Fast Start program right at the beginning. If you also help your 4 business partners to get their Fast Start bonuses, you will reach the executive level, earning an income of €700 per month, which can assist the budget of most families. When your 4 partners reach the executive level, you have automatically qualified for the diamond rank, where your monthly income is about €4,000. This can be achieved within 3 to 6 months if you work full-time in the business, and within 6 to 12 months if you can only work part-time by investing 10 to 15 hours per week in your Zinzino business. If your 4 partners also become diamonds, you will have reached the crown level. €12,000 a month is already an attractive income, no matter what part of the world you live in. Obviously, the results you achieve depend on your efforts. Career levels, however, do not end there. Feel free to pause this video for a moment and study the monthly incomes and career levels to find the one that captures your imagination. So how can you start this business? The company Zinzino does everything for us, from product research and development through manufacturing to invoicing and delivery. Your only job is marketing, and in order to succeed, you obviously need to know the products so that you can speak from experience. The Ultimate Partner Kit is the best option to start your business, as it contains the full range of Zinzino products, including 10 balance tests. People pay 2.5 times more for all these products when they buy them as single items than what you pay for the kit. So instead of paying €2,510, your price is only €995 plus €7 for delivery. If you have any idea of what kind of money is required to start a traditional business, you know that investing €1,000 is nothing. Here, you don't risk anything because you're buying health products for yourself and your loved ones. And now we have an incredible offer. If you have 25 paid subscriptions from your personal customers by the end of your 12th month, you will get the money you paid for your Ultimate Partner Kit back in month 13 after your date of enrollment. If that seems too much money to spend right now, you can also start with a Health Protocol Partner Kit that costs €495. Or you can start with an even smaller package called the Basic Partner Kit, which is only €249. Our experience has shown that the most effective way to start your business is the €995 Ultimate Partner Kit. 98% of our partners who actually make money started their businesses with the Ultimate Partner Kit. If you like what you've heard so far, you may still wonder whether you're able to do what it takes. It's important to listen to those who are already successful in what you plan to do. One Big Team provides you with a proven online and offline support system compiled by highly successful top leaders. Using the same tools, you can build a global business from home while being your own boss. We provide the know-how that you need. We have a monthly training schedule in various languages, including product presentations held by medical professionals and business training sessions held by our top partners online. In addition, we also have web conferences to help you become a pro. For us, success is predictable. It's not just a matter of luck. In conclusion, here are 7+1 reasons why we decided to achieve our goals with Zinzino. We can build our businesses from home, we can start part-time, and we can determine when, with whom, and where we work. We don't have a boss, but we do have mentors who support and teach us. With an ever-growing market demand, health is a mega trend all over the world. More and more people realize that they are responsible for their health because doctors only deal with diseases. Zinzino is one of the top 100 players in the direct sales industry, a dynamically growing global company listed on the Stockholm Stock Exchange. After a while, we can also enjoy the results of the work done by the many partners in our teams, which is what we call leverage. It's the key to having not only money, but also free time so that we can enjoy what we're working for. Timing is important. It does matter when you start a business. Zinzino officially opened the European market in 2016. There is significant demand for our health program, but a huge number of people still haven't heard about us. Many of them would be so happy to find out what we have to offer, people living in neighboring and faraway countries alike. It gives us a high level of satisfaction to know that what we do really matters. Thousands of success stories prove that it's vital to get this information to as many people as possible, because you want your friends and loved ones to live longer, but you also want them to have a higher quality of life as well. When I started the business, I thought that the worst-case scenario would be that I'd be healthier if I used the products I bought, so I felt I had nothing to lose. I'm glad you watched this video. Your health is probably important to you, so you want to maintain it or restore it. You might have questions that need to be answered. Maybe you've already decided that you would like to join One Big Team. please consider what this business could do for you. What is your goal? And how can we help you to reach that goal? If you know your why, we can teach you how. I hope you'll make a wise decision. I suggest that you get back to the person who recommended this video to you, because they can answer any questions that you may have.